BPX Energy is the onshore component of BP, and we serve the U.S. onshore market. We operate out of 3 major locations in the United States. Across all 3 of those assets, we have over 400 light-duty trucks, and we drive approximately 20 million miles each year.
We cover a lot of miles in a day, some of us up to 200 or 300 miles in a day, running from well site to well site, so there's a lot of time behind that windshield.
What we found really interesting with the Nauto solution was it appeared to be a step change in the ability for us to give feedback and coach our drivers real time and improve just our overall vehicle safety and driver safety and safety of our operations.
Nauto has helped me become a better driver by just shining light on the inefficiencies of my driving. With the Nauto in the truck, I still had a tendency to look over at my phone or look down at my smartwatch when I would get a text message or something, and that constant reminder to keep my eyes on the road from Nauto, just that ding alert, keeps me focused on driving and makes me a better driver.
And we really liked that Nauto allowed our drivers to have kind of that personal privacy, but then also receive the feedback and coaching to improve and deal with kind of that last critical piece that we needed of the driving equation to improve our safety.
For us, our work truck is basically our office. When we heard that there would be cameras looking at us all day long in our office, there was strong skepticism there. But as we went through it and we saw the type of video and the coachings and stuff that show up, you see what gets recorded, you feel more comfortable with it during your day-to-day. And then after a while, it's like it's not even there.
So I'd recommend Nauto to anybody who has a fleet of vehicles, whether it's a fleet of 4 or 400. You're getting instant feedback on your driving, and it just drives that daily improvement on your driving to make your drivers safer, make your company safer, and reduces liability for your drivers, reduces liability for your company.
Part of the reason we chose Nauto was it gives the driver real-time feedback. It gives them a chance to coach themselves and self-correct initially. Really, it's a coaching tool. It's not meant to be punitive. It's not meant to be a means to go after employees. It's meant to truly make them safer